Let's get into it. If you've been told you need perfect credit, 20% down, and 2 years of W-2s before you can buy a home, hopefully this video will change everything. Because today we're going to be busting the 5 biggest mortgage myths that are keeping smart people just like you stuck renting when you could already own something. We've done it with some Red Bull, cafecito, and a lot of mortgage chisme to get these people to where they need to be. And the truth is, my goal is to help you feel confident, prepared, and ready to buy on your own terms. So let's jump into the myths so we can get you educated today. Big myth number 1, you need 20% down to buy a home. Nope. And some of you are going to say, is that still something you hear every single day? If I had $1 for every time I actually heard that, I'd be a millionaire and I wouldn't be doing this video. Truth is, there are programs with as little as 3% down, even zero down programs like VA or USDA loans. I've had clients come to the closing table with less than $10,000. And the truth is, it's not about the size of the deal, it's about the right strategy and the right loan fit. And I'm even going to go ahead and say the right loan partner and realtor. Myth number 2, it's a bad time because rates are high. And here's the truth. You marry the house and you date the rate. When the rate drops, you refinance. But if you wait, usually the home prices climb. And that costs you more money in the long run. And typically, most people don't stay in their home for more than 5 years, or they refinance before the 5-year mark. So don't let the headlines determine your timeline. Myth number 3. If you're self-employed, you can't get approved. False again. There are bank statement loans, DSCR loans, asset-based programs made for entrepreneurs. We just had a client who runs a salon. She was denied twice by the big banks. We used her business deposits instead of her tax returns, and she was approved and closed and funded within 30 days. Myth number 4, you need perfect credit. And I wish I could tell people over and over again that this just isn't true. Many programs start around 620, and a few simple moves like paying off small balances, not opening up any new credit card inquiries can raise your score pretty fast. And there are some loans that go down to a 500 credit score. 580 is where we like to see it typically. Perfect isn't required. Progress is. And I know it's cliche, progress over perfection, but keep following along. Myth number 5, 2025 isn't a good year to buy. Look, the truth is the best time to buy is when you're ready, not when the news or your Instagram or your TikTok headlines say to do so. Markets rise and fall, but opportunities belong to those who are prepared. These myths keep good people like you stuck on the sidelines. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect credit score, the perfect rate, and meanwhile, the prices of these homes keep climbing. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be prepared. Say it again. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be prepared. The system rewards the doers and not the dreamers who wait. If one of these myths helped you open your eyes today, hit that subscribe button and grab my free Myth Mortgage Buster checklist below. It breaks down each myth, shows you what to do next, and helps you get one step closer to owning your own approval story. I'm Ash.